Hello, this is the second video, and in this particular section, we're going to talk about how to name cycloalkanes. Cycloalkanes are alkanes, but they're joined at the end to form a ring. Here is the condensed representation of cycloalkanes, 4 of them, and here is the structural representations. When we name cycloalkanes, the first thing we must do is to compare the number of carbons in the ring and the number of carbons in the largest or longest substituent. Now, if the number of carbon atoms in the ring is equal or greater than the number of carbons in the substituent, then it is named as an alkyl substituted cycloalkane, meaning that the one with a greater number is the parent. For example, in this first molecule, we have 5 carbon atoms on the ring and just 1 on substituent. So therefore, this compound is named as a derivative of cyclopentane. So it's methyl cyclopentane. However, on this right-hand side molecule, you see that there's only 3 carbons on the ring and 4 carbons on the chain. And so it is named as a derivative of butane. So it's 1-cyclopropyl-butane. For a ring, you will also have to number the carbon atoms so that you get the lowest overall numbers. And you always start with one of the substituent as carbon 1. But which one is the one that would give the overall lowest numbers? Let's look at this particular example. If we name this as 1, 2, 3, 4, this would be a 1, 3, 4 substituted cycloalkane. This is actually not the lowest numbers possible. If we now name this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is also not the lowest numbers possible because they could be even smaller. For the case when we take this to be carbon 1, and now we end up with the numbers 1, 2, 4. So it's 4-ethyl then, 2-methyl, 1-propyl cyclohexane. These are the lowest possible numbers for these substituents. This is the end of video 2. You might want to take time to review, and we will go on next to video number 3.